we spent about, I'm gonna say about an hour and a half basically writing this code, and we were I was rebuilding the Google homepage that looks like this. And here's how far we've gotten. So we've got all the basic building blocks in place. We got the navigation bar, this thing here, the main body section, the logo, search bar, and 2 buttons, and then the footer, which are the majority of the elements. So now, towards the end of the last video, I was having issues putting this to the bottom. So if I use position equals fixed, that was causing the Flexbox code to not work. And yeah, so while I was having my lunch, I was just googling different Stack Overflow stuff, and this is the thing that I found, which I think is going to fix the issue. So let's take a look. Right, position absolute, and then top 50%. Places the top edge at the vertical center of the screen, then by adding a margin top of negative height. Yeah, don't really want to do that. Wait, I think I'm looking at the wrong one. How to... No, let's go back. This one, I think. Yeah, it's this one. I'm not sure why I go into that one. Anyway, this particular code actually does what I wanted to do. So you need to wrap everything within a separate div. And as it says, set the height to 100% to ensure you can set minimum height as a percentage on child element. So that's why we set height to 100% on everything. And then 2 seconds. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go and do that. So we're gonna wrap everything here. Let's save this now first, so you can see. Here's what the page looks like right now. We're now gonna basically steal this code, see if we can make it work. So this entire thing is gonna go around a div. Okay. And yeah, it wants me to give that an ID of holder, which we can do. I'm not sure if we actually need the holder ID actually. Yeah, let's copy that. So that we definitely need that. Okay, save 100%, closing tag there. Okay, so that's what that does. And holder body 100 pixels, that's the height of the footer. Sure, no problem. Here's the code that we need, right? Let's copy that. We're gonna add. Okay, let's do that. Gonna add that in there, the closing tag, save that page. And there you go, that's exactly what I wanted. And you can see here, it's at the bottom. We've separated it using the, what do we use? Flex grow. Basically, I created a div, like a placeholder div to fix that problem, which is this one. So I could give that the highest amount, 4, and then 1 and 1 flex grow 1, 1, and 4. So basically, you've got 1, 1, and then this entire thing's got 4. So when I go like this, it's going to maintain that um, ratio of 1, 4, and 1, right? Boom. Okay, perfect. So that's what we needed. I'm not sure if we need to do this. Now set minimum height 100% on the holder div so it fills the content of the screen, and use position absolute to set the footer at the bottom. Okay, let's add it in. I don't think I'm not sure we need it. So this one's got an ID of holder, right? Save. Oh, excuse me. Oh wow, that just messed everything up. What are you doing? That just messed everything up. So okay, let's get rid of that. Oh man, did I just break something? Oh, because the closing tag's here. What's this closing? We got double here. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's add it back in because we removed the extra code. The extra div may have affected it. So refresh the page, save it again. Okay, it still maintains the thing. I'm not sure what this is doing exactly, but it says it's filling the 100% of the content. We leave that in there for now. And basically height of 100 pixels. Height of 100 pixels. Yeah, I don't think we need the height. The width. Do we need the width? Okay. Just the width. That's yeah, I don't think we need the left. Bottom 0. So I tried bottom 0 before. It was the width 100%. You see this thing here? So it needed to be. What if we do fixed here? What does that do? That works too. We just needed 100% width. So what I had before, the only thing I need to do is 100% width, and then make sure to add this additional div, right? So if I take off this div, probably would have been easier to just delete the div, but whatever. Okay. So div is now gone. That means this can now go. This can probably go too. Yeah. And so went through all that. So the only thing I needed to do was add width of 100% to make it work. All right, let's actually delete all of that. Yeah, let's delete that. That can stay. Right. We've removed the additional div. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Save it. Save. And it still works. Look at that, it still works. So the only thing I needed was a width of 100%. So what happens if I do 50? Okay, look at that. And if I wait. Oh, okay. So Windows, what the hell? Copy, delete. Yeah, you see? So, man, I spent all the time, but this new code pointed us in the right direction, and now we good. So basically, it was missing the width. Yeah, that's good to know. Okay, cool. So I think we've got the building blocks ready. Now we're just gonna style it so it looks like that. Adding some shadow. Yeah, let's start from the top. So obviously these are links. We don't need to link anywhere. And on hover, we need to make it underlined. So does that mean I need to wrap these around an A tag because it's an anchor tag? I think so, right? Man, this is... Then href equals, I think it's blank, or target equals blank, something like that. Oh man, a tag target blank. Oh, target equals. Gotcha. It's not href. It's a completely different thing. Okay, href equals, I think, a hashtag to not have open anything, and then target equals blank, so open a new tab. So we don't really need that because it doesn't open anything right now. Oh, it doesn't open anything right now, so I think I just get rid of that. Right. Save it. And there you go. All right, cool. So that's now turned into a link, which is great. So we just need to wrap the rest of them inside of this anchor tag. Oh, automatically does it. That's cool. Yep. Get an anchor tag.
Folks, listen.
All right. Yeah, okay, that was also going to be an anchor tag. And we will close the A tag here. Okay, the button doesn't need an anchor because the button will have a link. Alright, let's save it, refresh the page. There you go, they're all now turned into links, which is fantastic. And we'll do the same for the footer as well. Okay, so all of these need to go. Oh, automatically does it. Okay, so all of that is within anchor tags. Paste that in there. And then I do that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, save. There you go. I think search needs to be capital, right? How search works. Great. Crash, what's up, man? How's it going? All right. Let's see. Your mic is muted. Am I muted? Okay. Okay. How about now? I think I'm still muted, huh? Shouldn't be muted. Okay, let me check. Because on my end, it was your page. All right, okay. All right, awesome, man. I was like, man, it's showing me the whatever it is, the lines when it moves when you talk. I was like, man, what's going on? But cool. How's it going? How was your? Did you make your page responsive to the my big ass monitor size, or did you just go into a different project? All right, so search. Not yet. Cool. What are you working on right now? You can see, as you can see, I'm building the Google search page. Okay. Okay. That's the only button on the page, so I think I can do that. Let's see. Yeah, that does work. Okay, so that's the X code. Right, and we need the text to be text decoration, text color, maybe. Hey, what's up, Johnny? Thanks for the follow, man. Welcome to the stream. Are you gonna start doing JavaScript projects? I don't know what yet, man. I am. Okay, I am gonna be doing the free code camp stuff. Yeah, okay. So I mentioned in the previous stream, I streamed this is the second stream of the day. So I went through all of these. I'm not going to do the portfolio page now because I want to learn JavaScript first, and then because I want to do it, I need to do one for me anyway. So I was like, instead of doing a basic HTML CSS one, I'm going to finish a couple of CSS projects so I get some idea about how they work, and I'm going to learn JavaScript, and then I'm going to go back and build this page and get this certification. So my plan is like today, tomorrow, maybe also learn some more advanced CSS stuff, and then I'm going to be getting into JavaScript. So I'm going to be going through this entire thing, and then here's some projects like all of these. I'm going to be building out all of these. So if you want to do these together, man, that would be awesome. We can compare notes and see how we implement stuff. Man, I don't even know how to pronounce the name. Nora Probable Simulator. Thanks for the follow. You're down? Awesome. So yeah, give me like a day or two, and then I'll start going through these. I'll live stream the entire thing, obviously, and I'll build these things out. Excuse me. God. All right. What were we doing? Oh, I can't use a button thing because that one there's more buttons on the page. So I'm gonna need to give this button a specific ID, and I think track it that way. Okay. Oh, sign in. Yeah, let's do that. It's not working though. Why is it not working? Hashtag sign in. Hashtag is the ID. Oh, because it's not complete, maybe. Text close. Okay. Yeah, there you go. That's it. All right. Text color should be white, although it's not adding the white color. Just name it color. Man, okay, nice man. You're learning much faster than I am. Sweet. Color equals white. What does the design look like? We need to add some padding around it. 10 pixel might be too much, but let's see. Yeah, I think that's a bit too much. Close this pages. Yeah, that looks about right. I think we're gonna need to also put these, center them vertically. How do we do that? So okay, I don't think we need flex star. Let's grow. I think there's align self. Align item center, right? I think that should work. Yeah, boom. There you go. They're now in line. Do the same thing for navigation 1. Yeah, that's looking cool. Links. So anchor tags. I think text decoration none removes all the underscore, I believe. What text decoration? Yeah. Alright, sweet. Hover. So on hover, we want to add the underline. So I guess a hover, something like that. How do you do that? On hover, add underline on a tag. Text decoration, underline. Okay. It's putting the mouse, but it's not doing the underline. What have I done wrong, man? Put it right next to a like this. A hover. Ah, okay. So that extra space. Ah, sick. Awesome. Does it do at the bottom? It does. All right, cool. So all of that is good. I need to make the. This is not in the middle, is it? Yeah, okay. So that is main body. I think let's get rid of that. How did I do it earlier? Flex direction. Move div middle horizontally. All right. Any idea how to do that? Because I've been looking over this. So my solution was to. So I thought margin zero auto would do that, but it didn't. I guess you could set like. Hover is a pseudo, and pseudos go right next to the element. All right, cool. Where are you learning these from? I think I might have to read some books and stuff because all I'm doing is, free code camp is building projects. Any specific books, anything you're referencing or reading? Width equals 50%. Let's try that. Yeah, kind of. 75. Shh, 25 maybe. And okay, yeah, that is not what we want. Let's see, width equals 100%. 50%. I feel like that's not in the middle though. Yeah, it goes more to the left. So is this bit here, right? Section, and all I've got is image form, da da da. And this photo is it's a different section at the bottom. Right. 50% zero auto. Yeah, that's what I've done. The margin is zero auto actually does the centering. Try display flex and justify content center. Display flex. Okay. Alright, let's get rid of these. copy your message. Oh, what? Yo, what's going on? Would have been quicker just to type that in. You can use margin left. Yeah, that completely messed up my thing. Yeah, let's get rid of that. So, what do you mean margin left, Johnny? You mean so like, so move it to the thing like that? Yeah, but it doesn't become maybe 50%, huh? Yeah, kind of. It doesn't center it when it goes smaller, does it? How would you use the margin left, John? Any ideas? 50%. Line items. Center. Let's try that. Yeah, that doesn't work. So that's going to align the items within the div, but I need the div itself to be. So I guess I could wrap the div around, the section around the div, and then align that with align item center maybe. Omar. Hey, what's up, Omar? How you doing, man? You can add transform, translate. I came. How's it going? It's been a while. What we doing? What was I doing? I was trying to add a div. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. So I was thinking maybe center body, something like that. Maybe. Align items center. Yeah, that's failed. That doesn't work. Let's get rid of that div. What we did today? You saw me one more time. We're busy. All good, man. All good. Yeah, today we are building the Google homepage. Rebuilding this page, basically. Div the class name and enter. Okay, let's try that. Div dot. Oh, you mean actual name? Div dot. Hello. Ah, look at that. Any other shortcuts? Because I don't use them. Div dot. So class would be div dot class, right? Class equals class. What if I wanted to add a IDs to? Yeah. So how would I make it into an ID? Div dot ID. Nope. Div. Oh, okay. Div. Huh. Man, that's such a big time saver because I'm doing like manual typing in. That's cool. Okay. Back to the problem at hand. h2.class name. Okay. inline block. Outer and inner. What was the outer? Okay, see outer div, the inner div. So in our case, we've got. Is this the outer div? And these aren't really div, but they're just inner stuff. Okay. Flex direction would be column in that case. Let's try it. Let's try it. So main body, but we want this to be column. Yeah, look at that. That works. That's perfect. But yeah, that works, right? Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, we're gonna add a margin top, bring to the middle. Yeah, that's amazing. Although I don't like the fact that it moves upwards, because the Google one doesn't do that. It just stays here. This one just moves laterally across the page. I need to leave early today. When need to be right up next stream. Well, good. I think I'm gonna stay on for a couple hours today. I'm definitely gonna be streaming tomorrow as well. And yeah, have a great day, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Should be on around this time tomorrow as well. So add a line item center. Okay. So that's on the main body, right? Yeah. No, I think we already got that. Add up. Yeah, we've already got that one. Maybe position fix something like that. Although I don't know if that's gonna work with the flex thing. Yeah, that works. Boom. We're just gonna need like 50% or something. Oh, it's because I don't know that. Yeah, it's too much. Just go back to 15. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. Alright, let's get rid of that. Yeah, line item's already there, Crash. If you use percentage for top margin, it would. Ah, that's why. Right, okay. 100 might be too much. Just, okay, right. It's a percentage of the thing. Yeah, there you go. That's all I needed. Thanks, Omar. Alright, 400 maybe. 300. No, that's way up high. Maybe 150. Yeah, that's in line with that. Cool. Thanks, Ben. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. So we got we got that sorted. So now I need to style this input field to have this kind of border. I think you can set a border radius to do the curly curved thing on the side. So, and that's the only form on the page. So I don't know, like 10. Oh no. Okay, so it's not. I think it has to be the not formal input, I believe. Yeah, there you go. All right. So we need to increase the width. I don't know what 100% is gonna do, but let's try it. Okay. Yeah, it's fixed, right? It doesn't get larger, so slightly bigger than that. Maybe 400. Border radius 50%. Let's try 50%. Okay. Whoa! Made it into an oval, man. Maybe 50 is too high. Maybe 5%. Okay, 5 is too little. 15. Yo, why is it doing that? Yeah, it does this thing. Percentage is weird. You see how this corner doesn't. Yeah, let's go back. 100 pixels. Alright, that looks alright. What do we need? Actually, let's fix these buttons. The buttons are here. So, yeah, I'm gonna div. Oh man, I should have done the thing. So div dot button flex maybe. What? There we go. Let's get rid of this external one. Got double N, but whatever. Display flex direction row. That didn't work. Yeah, okay. Space between maybe. No. PX was better. Oh man, I'm just seeing your message now. Alright, how do you add space? Maybe just margin, right? So add a top margin and I don't know, let's just try it. 10 pixels. This can go away too. So it doesn't add a margin left to that. Yeah. Okay, so it's connecting them together. That's because of flex direction row. Why is it not adding? Yeah, well, that's weird. Oh, this. No, that's not it. So this is the thing here. So one div, two divs. It has to be the space between thing. Okay. I'm thinking if the thing is filling the space. Let's see. All right, Crash. Any ideas, man? I don't know why it's not adding the space between these two buttons. Say that again. Okay, let's close that. So basically, it's this container, which is display flex, direction is row, and we're displaying these two divs in a row. And I want to add space between these two divs. To do that, I'm pretty sure you do justify content. Maybe justify items. What's it go? Nah. Shrink. Yeah, this is it. Space between. I don't know why he doesn't like it. Maybe because we got a different thing on this main body thing. Um, justify. Maybe it's this justify content thing. It's messing it up. Look at that. Yeah, that's what it is. That is what it is. So, can I make this important and override that code? No, I cannot. So what was this main body? So main body is aligning everything. Okay. I feel like this code here is messing with. All right, I'm gonna remove this code entirely. Right, obviously, space between here is working because if I remove that, it's gonna come together. Yeah. Yeah, even that's too much for space. Actually, justify content. Space between, space around, maybe. It's probably better. Hmm. I think I'm just gonna have to. Yeah, I think I know what I need to do. Yeah, padding's fine. We'll bring this back into play. Right, I think I'm just gonna target. But this is kind of cheating. But I'm just gonna add a random div in here, like an empty placeholder. Hey, why is it not recognizing? Just making stuff up. Isn't this meant to add like a random space? Yeah, I'm not sure, man. What's going on? Flex direction is bro. Flex. Space between. Okay, if justify doesn't work, maybe. Oh, because it's. It's not though, because it's a row. Align content is only for a column. Yeah, that's just not gonna work. See, right? So we got that. All right, I'm gonna give these IDs. No, let's give this class main buttons or something like that. Okay. And okay. Then I'm gonna see if I can target them using margin left, like 5 pixels, something like that. Yeah, that will. Yeah, we're gonna have to hack it. I don't know why it doesn't want to apply it, but this does the job. Yeah, that works. We're also gonna give it some padding, 15 pixels maybe. Okay, that's too big. 10. Yep, that looks cool. Border style, border nothing. Okay, that doesn't work. Border. Yeah, okay, that looks cool. I think the padding needs to be slightly higher. Yeah, we are gonna have to give them not padding, but I think margin top. Whoa. Yeah, so margin top of maybe 15 pixels. Nope, a bit more, 25. Yeah, that looks better. Let's see. Let's actually grab the color. That one. And it's gonna go on buttons. Okay, background, color. Yep. Okay, and on hover, we wanna text. Does color just do the thing? I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah, it's just color. So color, probably like gray or something. Yeah, that looks cool. We also need to do the same thing for the anchor tags. Text decoration none, color screw. Yeah, look at that. And on hover, we need. Actually, no, that doesn't need. Okay, main buttons on hover. Wait, okay. Let's see. Just do a little test, see if I have selected them correctly. And on hover, they do turn red, which is great. We don't want it to go red, we want to go black. And on hover, I also wanted to have a border. So border width. Let's try 1 pixels. Whoa, that's very, it's too strong. Maybe border radius of 10 pixels. I think that's fine. Color. Great. Yeah, it's not working. So, it's very faint. Maybe half a pixel. Man, that's too strong. Yeah, that is not grey, is it? I want some really light grey. Huh. Why is it only adding to the top and left? Doesn't make sense. Interesting. That's weird. So this thing adds it all around. Kind of. So you see, these actually have a darker thing. Color black. So color black is fine. HTML. Maybe there's different settings for borders. Yeah, maybe it needs, I don't know, border style. Solid. Yeah, and instead of red, we want this really gray color. There we go, but I need it to be very light gray, so let's grab this hex code again. Yeah, that looks nice. Although I think it needs to be darker than that. Okay. Yeah, maybe that. Yeah, boom, that looks awesome. All right, that looks very similar to this design. It's animating on hover, huh? This one doesn't animate, it stays static. Um, Stop hover animation. Maybe it's not animating, maybe it's just. No, it does move. Position something probably. Fix or something like that. Huh, look at that. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Pointer events, none. Okay. I don't know what that does, but let's try it. Nope, still doesn't do anything. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Maybe it's because of the width. Yeah, so it moves because the width changes. Okay. Okay. Um, yeah, so I need to. That's the background color. Border color. I don't know. How do you do transparent? 0, 0 maybe? Main buttons. Colors gray. Border color. Border width. Border color none. Does that work? No, it doesn't. Let's try that. Nope. Okay, how do you set the border? So if I just make it darker, right? So I guess I could just make it gray. So I can make the same color as the button, right? Yeah, that should work. So color's gray, so we make that crap. So at least that way you can't tell. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's all we need to do. Yep. Okay, that fixes it. All right. No way. I think I'm looking at the wrong one. That does not fix it. That does not fix it. Still very dark, man. Background color. I think I need to change it to that and not gray. Somewhat fixes it, and then I need to give it a border style. Dash. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That's yeah, that's cool. I'm happy with that. Now let's style the input. So we're gonna give this a padding of maybe 20 pixels even. Oh, 10 pixels. That's still too big. Definitely needs a top margin. It needs a lot more than that. I think it's also width is also large, 500 pixels. Yeah, width, border radius, border style. Dashed. Yeah, dashed. Nope. Solid. Okay. Border color. Gray. Let's try that. Border width. Can you do width? Yes, you can. Open 5 pixels again. Yeah, that looks much better. It's a lot gray actually. I mean, we also need to add shadow when we hover over it. What does that look like? That looks the same color as the button, so yeah, if I grab this, border color equals that. Whoa, that's too faint. That is too faint. Yeah, I think we need this color here. Yeah, that looks alright. And yeah, 450 might be alright. I think it's a height though. But 20 is too much, I know. Oh no, that looks alright. Okay, now how the hell did they add this icon? How do you add icon within input? That's what I want to know. So what I would need to do is, where's the input? So before the input, we need to add a div. Okay, let's move this input here. And give this a class. I'm just gonna select the same class this guy has. So input icons, and then we actually need to add the icons. Let's go find the icons. Font awesome. Search magnifying glass, I guess. Great. Search. Pro. Yeah, we'll go with this one. Supersizing my fries. Okay, let's copy that. We're gonna add that in here. Okay. And we need another icon. This microphone thing. Yeah, let's go for this. Okay, so we're going to wrap that in and around two things. Okay, cool. So we got it side. It's around the thing, but we need it inside the input field. And the way to do that, apparently, where is it? Where is it? There you go. Okay, so once that is done, we no. Input fields. Yeah, okay. Let's give this the same class. Input field, and the CSS would be. It's going to copy paste it first, see if it works. It doesn't work. Oh, he's not actually putting it inside it. He's just, yeah, I know what they're doing. They're just. Sorry, icon, minimum width, maybe. Okay, no, that is not what they're doing. I thought they were just doing that. So how is this guy putting it inside it? I don't think we actually need that one either. Excuse me. All right, so it's these two. Input icons. Position is absolute. Input icons. Width is 100%. It does say constant, which is cool. I just need to move it. What is this doing? Yeah, so the absolute thing is I feel like I don't know why it goes to the bottom there. Okay, this one was not very good. Add icon inside input. Placeholder. Okay, because it's a font. Okay, so this looks very similar to what they've done. Placeholder equals that. Ah, so instead of icon, they've just that makes more sense. I think. I think. All right. So if the in the input, if I do that, and the placeholder is gonna be like that, I think. Let's delete that. Close that tag. Let's save it. Let's go back to Google. Yeah, it says literally added the text. What I needed to do was something else. Let's see. And 61447. I guess I'll do and 5 F130. Probably do it right. Let's see. Nope. Yes, they're just adding. So Control Z a bunch of times here. I think something like that. Probably gonna work. Okay, what the hell? Why do we still have FA search input fill? No, 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 no. Class. Yeah, it doesn't actually target it. Snaplop. Thanks for the follow, man. How's it going? I am stuck here because I'm not sure what to do. Yeah. So they're doing something like this. Position absolute. What am I trying to do? Okay, so I'm basically cloning the Google homepage and I'm trying to make these icons inside the input field. And I've added two from Font Awesome here, either side of the input field. And then on the page they're outside, I'm trying to figure out how to make them appear on the inside. So if you have any ideas how to do that, man, that would be super helpful because I'm trying to scratch my head trying to figure out how to do this. So this guy's done it here, right? So it'd be something similar to this. So maybe we can just copy this and just like, I don't know, customize it. Position absolute left, da, da, da. And let's copy that. Input icon. So it's given input icon as one of the classes. Input wrapper is for the entire thing. All right, save there. Search icon. I mean, we don't have input wrapper, right? So so I replaced input icon with search icon because I've already got that as thing. Position absolute left 3 pixels, top, calculate whatever that is. Oh, it's to put in the middle. The input padding left. You can do a div with 3 elements: icon, input icon, give main div a flex, flex Russian right, and justify content. space between. And that's okay, and that's gonna put it inside because I need this inside it, because not outside. Okay, let's try it. Whatever. What's nothing to lose, right? Let's try it. Okay. What's going on? Let's delete the whole lot. Okay. A div with 3 elements. Right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the div is going to be search icons, right? And you want 3 elements: icon, input icon, which is there. Okay. Give that a flex. Flex direction. Flex direction row, and then justify content space between. Let's save it. All right. Yeah, it's adding it outside. Yeah, maybe I'll just hack it. Like, I mean, so for example, search icon is that icon. Maybe I'll just go and just add like, don't know, margin left of 20 pixel and move it left. See, it doesn't move. It doesn't move. Doesn't move. Yeah. Any ideas, Snap? Because yeah, that doesn't quite do it. Search icon. Let's get this microphone. Maybe. I think that is targeting. So if I make a column, let's make sure that's correct. Yeah, it does go. Yeah, that is in flex, which is cool. And then I wanna. I don't know. Can I make something like that? Nope. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to this method. Just follow this following steps: input ID, search class SFA, placeholder. Man, it can't be that hard, right? Just need to. So if I set the position to like relative or something, is that gonna allow me to then add these insane? Nope. Relative. that moved the entire thing. Okay. Okay, search icons move in the whole lot. Shouldn't be doing that. Sorry. Let's get rid of that. Oh no, that's the absolute moving it. Okay, my bad. I'm gonna go for YouTube tutorials. Maybe there's something there. Add icons within input fields. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's this guy doesn't talk, man. Right. Input text placeholder. Sure. Okay, so he's linking the font awesome. Whoa, 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 whoa! How is he moving that icon? Yep. So it's giving a. Okay. Position relative. Interesting. Oh, look at that. All right, so we don't need to worry about the this thing because the thing doesn't have any placeholders anyway. All right, let's see if we can hack this go. So put this to the left. Get these two side by side. So what is he doing? Input with icon. Input with icon was the div, right? Yeah. So that's input icons, which is this one. All right, let's get rid of all of that. Position relative on that one, and the search icon, which is actually we don't need to do that. So he's doing dot input icons, and then it's selecting all the eye. So that's both of the eyes, and doing position is absolute on these ones. Left is 0. Actually, I can't do left is 0 because yeah, I can't do that. So this has to be search icon. Left is 0. Top is 8 pixels. Let's see what this does. Save. Go to our page. Oh man, that did absolutely nothing. Oh no, position spelled wrong. Still did nothing. Did I add input icons? Okay. Okay, let's see what I did again. Do we have the code? Oh, there you go. There's the code. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So it's got a div with the class, which we do, input icons, input type equals text. Input with icon is the div that holds the thing in place. Position is relative. Yep. hmm Input with icon I. Yeah, maybe. Just go in. Position absolute left top. I know it's adding the padding too, but I don't think we need the padding. But okay, see. Save that. Yeah, it's not doing much. As far as I can tell, it's only these two that matter. The rest is to move the text, the placeholder text to the right. Hmm. Let's make simple input icons. Let's just do that. Let's do I target I in generic. Nope. Is it because I've got this form thing? Let's get rid of the form. Yeah, it was the flipping form, dude. What the heck? The form was messing with us. I don't know who's still in the chat. Snappy, if you're in the chat, it was the flipping form, man. All right, cool. Now we can do this. So this is has to be search icon. Dot right, and then we need the exact same thing, but for the microphone only. I think the right has to be 0. Yeah, boom. Look at that. Actually, let's give it a bit more. Maybe like 2 or something. 2 pixels. Give this. We'll give this a 2 pixels as well. Yeah. Oh my god, that took so long, but boom. That was it. All right, awesome. So that's how you do it. Actually, no, we are gonna need the thing because we are gonna need his code for this padding level. Input type equals text. All right. So type equals text, right? And then we go. This is going to be input icons. Yeah, something like that, I think. Nope, not quite. What did I miss? Oh, icons. Icons. There we go. Padding like 60 or so. Okay, so it's not the padding. What is it? Input icons is the div dot classes. It's going to be input. Yeah, maybe. All right, we're going to give it the name search field. Okay, let's get rid of all of that. Search field dot margin left. Still not margin. Maybe padding. Am I targeting the right thing? Background color red. Probably not. Padding right. No, crap. Okay, the YouTube video made us stop our music, so let's get the music back up. You know, we should be able to pick that up from this. Input with icon. Type as text. Pretty sure this is the one that's. Yeah, that is the one that's adding the thing. Type equals text. That's what I don't know. Type. Okay, let's get rid of the class. Type equals text. Right, let's save that. Yeah, it's not doing it. I think I'm targeting something wrong. Input icons. That's the class. That's the div. Input type equals text. Input type equals text. I am not sure. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick 10-minute break, guys. Be right back.
años de escribiendo.
Hold up. Hold up.
Okay. I'm back. Where were we? Let's finish this off, man. 40px isn't working. Oh, maybe I just put it in here, man. Copy that, put it in there. Oh, dude, that was it. Okay, that works. Perfect. Let's see. So it needs a bit more. All right. So the icon font size, make it 10 pixels. Smaller. Top. Must top. Yep, 12. That's perfect. 12. We're gonna add a font size of 10 pixels. Color blue and gray. Look at that. Almost looks like the actual Google page, huh? All right. So these fonts also need to be smaller. What fonts? What font sizes are those? I don't know what font size. We're just gonna make it smaller. So that is navigation list 1. No, I think if we go here, font size, maybe 10 on those two, right? 10 pixels. Yeah. That does make the... No, it turns too small. Let's go 12. Yeah, that looks about right. The sign in button obviously is too big. Right here. So if you do color, text, font size, again, let's give the same thing 12 pixels. See, yeah, maybe it needs to be small on this one, 10, because of the box. Yeah, that looks alright. The design looks really bad though, so I need to get border. Border is none. How does that work? Yeah, and then just give a bit more padding, like 8. That looks alright. Yeah, it looks fine. links, boom, boom, Google search, feeling lucky. Oh yeah, so the only thing left now, let's go back. I think the only thing left now is to add this background, and I think we're done. Yeah, so I think that's just the footer, background color gray. Oh wow. So it's not gray, it's slightly different color, whatever this is. Black. No, that's not black. That's the same. No, it's dark. Let's do it again. Apparently, yeah, this thing isn't working. It's meant to be. I'm gonna give the same color as um, the button colors we gave, which is yeah this one. Yeah, that looks fine. We are gonna have to limit this height. Okay, it's too little. 70 is too big. I think 35 is fine. And margin top of 0, so it comes up. Padding top of 0 as well. Excuse me. That isn't what it's doing. Margin. Maybe I need to select. Let's see, footer. All the unordered lists inside of it. And then maybe I need to give these to those two. Yeah, there we go. There we go, with 100%, I think. So it goes to the entire page. It is 100%, are you on there? Yeah, I think I need to set this to 0 margin, 0. Yeah, perfect. Maybe padding left and like 10 pixels. Yeah, that looks about right. I think I'm gonna call this project done. Google page looks kind of like Google. So, all right, so close. publish your site so others can access from the web rather than just on your local machine. The good news is that you can have the project on GitHub. Then this is incredibly simple. Okay. All right. So let's see if I remember how to push my code into Google. So we go back to terminal. Okay. So we got index, HTML, style, CSS. Clear that. Okay. Remember doing this last time. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Yep. Cloning is done. Okay. Git status. Excuse me. Okay. Git status. We got these 3 files to upload. That is fine. Okay. Git add. Git add. So I could add all of them, right? With one keystroke. Let's see. Free code can notes. Oh, come on. Git add. Yeah. So git add dash a should add all of them. Okay. So the error means you must have added it. It's okay. Must have added to staging. And then git commit dash m Google homepage files. Okay, commit done. Type git log. Okay, a commit was done, so I need to push it. Git status. Let's see. On main branch, your main branch is origin main, but the upstream is gone. Nothing to commit. Working tree branch. Okay, I don't want to add it to the main branch. I want to add it to. I remember doing this last time. How did we do it the last time? Let's see. Yeah, git branch. I need to go in the branch, huh? Man, did I even create a branch? I don't know if I created a branch. How do you find a branch? Maybe I just create a branch. Git branch Google homepage. One word. Git checkout. Switch to branch Google homepage, which is great. I should have done that. Okay, git status. Nothing commit. Work entry clean. Oh man. Okay, because it's already been committed. So um, Google homepage main. Maybe it is working. Let's just try. Is that on the git commit? All right. So git push. Uh, Okay, did that actually push it? Let's see. Yeah, it did. 5 minutes ago. Excuse me, 5 minutes ago. So what did I just push again? I think I pushed two different codes. 8 commits. Search page. Good test. Okay, that's not the one. Google homepage. This is the one from today. Yeah, I think. Okay, yeah, I think it's done. Let's clear this out. Okay, cool. So we go back to the project. Let's see how other people did it. Add solution repository URL. Repository URL. What is that? This now. Repository URL. The live URL. Oh, okay. Your GitHub username. The repo name is Google homepage. Yeah, that should be it. Probably it's going to take 10 minutes or so, but I am going to go ahead. Your GitHub repo name. Yeah, Google hyphen page, that is repo. Alright, so let's go ahead and send repository URL. Yeah, sure, submit. Alright, we can close all that and complete this. Next lesson, Fundamentals Part 1. Let's dive. Let's talk about variables, JavaScripts. What's it driving me into, bro? This is taking me. Ah, it's going straight into JavaScript, huh? Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, we'll do the JavaScript next. All right. I'm gonna go grab some dinner, guys, and yeah, see y'all. See y'all soon. Oh wow, it's been 2 hours already. All right. Cool. See you guys in I don't know, probably a couple hours. All right. Bye.